Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the essentials for your London adventure. You know, London's got that unique charm, but packing right is key to making the most of your trip. First things first, let's talk about the weather. Now, I love London, but predicting its weather is like trying to guess which way a cat will jump. It's as unpredictable as my aunt's cooking, and trust me, that's saying something. So, when you're packing, think layers. A light jacket that you can easily throw on or take off, a versatile scarf that adds a touch of style and warmth, and of course a trusty umbrella because, let's face it, it's London. Now, let's delve deeper into the realm of tech essentials, my savvy explorers, because a well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler. And trust me, you don't want to be caught off guard in the bustling city of London. First and foremost, let's address the unsung hero of the tech world, the power adapter. London sockets can be a bit finicky, and nothing, I repeat, nothing puts a damper on your adventure like a dead laptop or a phone gasping for power. Picture this. You're ready to capture that perfect shot at the Tower Bridge, and bam! Your camera goes silent. Avoid the drama and make sure you've got the right adapter, ensuring your devices stay juiced up and ready to roll. And speaking of devices, let's not overlook the tool that preserves your memories, your camera. London is a visual feast, a kaleidoscope of history and modernity, and you're going to want to capture those jaw-dropping moments at every turn. Whether it's the grandeur of the Houses of Parliament or the vibrant chaos of Shoreditch Street art, having a camera handy ensures you can relive these moments long after your adventure is over. Now let's get practical. Amidst all the sightseeing and exploration, it's crucial to stay hydrated, especially when you're clocking those steps around iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London. Toss in a reusable water bottle, not only an eco-friendly choice, but a travel essential that keeps you energized throughout your London escapade. But here's a savvy pro tip that separates the seasoned travelers from the novices. Don't forget a portable charger. London is a city that never sleeps, and neither should your phone. You don't want it giving up the ghost, just when you're about to snag that perfect shot of the London Eye, lit up against the night sky. A portable charger ensures you stay connected, navigate with ease using maps, and capture every moment without the anxiety of a low battery. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. Now, my savvy explorers, let's delve into the realm of fashion, because as you step into London, you're stepping into one of the style capitals of the world. Speaking of Buckingham Palace, let's have a chat about attire. Londoners, with their effortless cool, have a flair for fashion that's both refined and eclectic, and it's time for you to channel that energy. So don't shy away from dressing up a bit. These are the moments where a touch of style can elevate your experience. London's nightlife is diverse and dynamic, from the chic clubs in Soho to the cultural hotspots in Covent Garden. Whether you're sipping cocktails in a classy lounge or dancing the night away in an underground club, a well-chosen outfit will make you feel like you belong in the fashion-forward landscape of London after dark. And let's not forget about the markets. London's markets are not just about shopping. They are a runway of unique styles and fashions. So when you're planning your wardrobe, think beyond the typical tourist attire. So, my fellow stylish wanderers, as you pack for your London adventure, remember to bring along that snazzy outfit that makes you feel like you're ready for a night on the town in one of the most fashionable cities in the world. Whether you're exploring the trend-setting streets of Shoreditch or taking in the cultural vibes of Covent Garden, let your style shine. London is your runway. Strut your stuff and make a statement. Happy travels, and may your outfits be as unforgettable as the city itself. My fellow wanderers, if you have a penchant for the vibrant tapestry of markets, and let's be honest, in London, you absolutely should consider your attire as carefully as you would your travel itinerary. London's markets, stretching from the iconic Portobello Road to the bustling Borough Market, are not just places to score unique finds. They are stages for showcasing your personal style with panache. Picture this. You're strolling through the eclectic stalls, surrounded by an array of colors, textures, and cultures. Your outfit, much like the goods around you, is a testament to the diversity and vibrancy that defines the London market experience. Now here's a nugget of savvy wisdom for your travel arsenal. Pack a reusable tote. Trust me, it's not just a bag, it's a lifesaver for all those unexpected treasures you'll encounter in London's markets. These markets are a shopper's paradise, and you never know when you'll stumble upon that one-of-a-kind item that tugs at your soul. With a stylish and foldable tote discreetly tucked away in your bag, you'll be prepared to carry your newfound treasures without missing a beat. Imagine wandering through the lively chaos of Borough Market, indulging in gourmet delights, and suddenly stumbling upon a unique handcrafted item that simply demands a spot in your collection. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, How to Be a Savvy Travel Hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now, link in description. As we conclude our London packing guide, envision your bags packed and the anticipation building, my savvy explorers. It's time to set sail and embark on the adventure that awaits you. Until our paths cross again, whether it's amidst the bustling streets of another vibrant city or within the serene landscapes of a hidden gem, I implore you to stay safe, stay curious, and continue exploring the world with an open heart. Every journey is a canvas upon which you paint your experiences and discover new facets of the world and yourself. Whether you find yourself wandering through the historic halls of the British Museum, savoring tea in a quaint London cafe, or meandering through the vibrant markets, embrace the magic of each moment. Let the city's heartbeat sync with yours as you immerse yourself in its culture, history, and the endless possibilities that await. And now, a special request from yours truly, Savvy Rick Brown. Don't let our connection end here. Stay linked with me and share the tales of your adventures on social media, your stories, the hidden gems you uncover, and those unforgettable moments that evolve into the stories of a lifetime are the threads that weave the fabric of our travel community. Tag me, shoot me a message, or drop a comment. Let's transform this into a space where savvy travelers share their experiences and exchange tips. So, my fellow savvy explorers, as you step into the unknowns of your London adventure and beyond, may your journey be filled with wonder, joy, and a touch of the unexpected. Happy travels. Until our paths converge once more, stay adventurous, keep exploring, and let the world unfold its wonders before you.